I'm so strung out and now I don't know what to do. Should I take my love away, dear God, how will you pull me through? I'm so strung out, somehow my life has gone astray. So I lay me down to sleep, please Lord, now take my soul away.
Now I'm all alone, sitting in my room in the corner, staring at the wall and I'm wishing I was on the mission, but I'm fishing in the empty bowl. Cocaine got my brain and I'm sweating cause I'm ice cold. Hold on for a minute, what's that sound? Raised up to my feet, paranoid, looking all around. Up, down, on the ground, is it reality? Damn, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Now let me find another plan, looking for a plot, looking for the man with the sack that gets got shot. Lay him down cause it don't make me numb. Cocaine on my brain and I gotta get me some.
I'm so strung out and now I don't know what to do. Should I take my love away, dear God, how will you pull me through? I'm so strung out, somehow my life's gone astray. So I lay me down to sleep, please Lord, now take my soul away.
Another mystery, sitting in another room at 12 noon. I hope something happens soon. I'm crawling, still burning my knees at 45 degrees. I'm saying please let it be something in the form of a rock. I can't stop because the spot's getting hot. Tick tock, I see the devil clear in my past. I can't last because I'm running out of cash. The stash I remember from December. My mind's gon' blank and it could have been November. Now, as I feel myself blink, I look at the world one time and then I think
I'm so strung out and now I don't know what to do. Should I take my love away, dear God, how will you pull me through? I'm so strung out, somehow my life's gone astray. So I lay me down to sleep, please Lord, now take my soul away. I'm so strung out and now I don't know what to do. Should I take my love away, dear God, how will you pull me through? I'm so strung out, somehow my life's gone astray. So I lay me down to sleep, please Lord, now take my soul away. Soul away, soul away, soul away. I'm so strung out, oh no, I don't know what to do. Should I take my life away, dear God, or will you pull me through? Will you pull me through? I'm so strung out, I'm so strung out. I know that you're living real dry. So lay down that pipe and pick back up your life. Just take it away, please God, just take it away. Won't you just give another day to me?